3, 2, 1, go!
And we're off in autonomous mode here in match number 1 of what will be a total of 68 qualifying matches over the weekend. As the bots are programmed to do what you see them doing right now. You just saw 7 points scored on top of the coral. In autonomous, there were 7. Now that the human players have the ROVs running on the bottom of the ocean, controlled by the human players, the coral scored on the top row. Row 4, just like they did then, is worth 5 points as it's 31-12 with 2 minutes left to go in the controlled chaos on the bottom of the ocean floor. 88-15, the Barnstormers trying to close the door on 1683, the Techno Titans. They drop a piece of coral down onto the ocean floor. As the Red Alliance is picking up coral from the coral chute, the coral comes from the top of the ocean down onto the ocean floor where the bots are located so they can rebuild that coral reef. As the Blue Alliance bots spinning around, dropping one off on the ocean floor. 88-15 playing the defense against 6705, the Wildcat team, as they move through the cages over to the Blue Alliance side of the ocean. 10-4-82 scoring 2 points for their alliance in the trough of the coral reef. There's a trough at the bottom. That first row is known as branch 2. In the middle, it's branch 3, and where 1683 was trying to place it, that's branch 4. They got 5 points right there for that, as it's 41-19 in favor of the Red Alliance right now. 6910 having trouble with the ocean currents, or they're just studying the ocean floor for future matches, as 3318 places 2 points in the trough for the Blue Alliance. 6705, the Wildcat 5E team playing defense on the Red Alliance side, trying to keep them from getting that coral, taking it to the reef and gaining those valuable points. It's 48-21 with 35 seconds left to go in match number 1 of what will be a total of 68 qualifying matches here in Gwinnett County this weekend. 88-15 has grabbed a hold of the shallow anchored cage, going to try to pull themselves up off of the ocean floor. If they can do that successfully, it will be worth 6 points for the Blue Alliance. As we're down to under 20 seconds by the sound of the sonar beeps that you heard. 1683 parked up underneath the barge in the barge zone. That's worth 2 points. 88-15 parked right now, trying to get themselves up off of the ocean floor. Ran out of time. It would have been worth 6 if they had pulled themselves off the ocean floor. As they're parked, it's worth 2. That's qualification match number 1, now complete. All right, as we will all weekend, take a look at the big screen. They're going to release some fish off onto the reef. The color of the fish released onto the reef will tell us who it was that was victorious in that match. Here we go. This is the visual as the red fish are swimming on the reef. The Red Alliance victorious with a score 56-31. And ladies and gentlemen, that is the high score of the match so far.